Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. So my name is Anissa Ahmani binti Sufyan. So today I'm going to talk about is health communication via social media is effective in educating the public. Okay, so recently there have been numbers of doctors who use social media as a medium of health communication to educate the public. Okay, in my opinion, I strongly agree that health communication through social media is effective in educating the public because as we all know, health is very important or essential to all of people. It doesn't care it is a baby or an old people. It is important to all of us. Okay, especially nowadays there are many diseases that are worsening and worrying us all, especially the recent disease which is the COVID-19, which is coronavirus disease, that are worrying all of people in the world. Okay, so I'm going to give three main points that can strengthen my opinion towards health communication through social media is effective in educating the public. Okay, first and foremost, health communication through social media is effective in educating the public as it can make it easier for those who doesn't understand certain medical terms, because as we all know, medical term is full of jargon, which is it is complicated and hard to understand, because if we give them a books of medication for them to search about a certain disease, they might not able to find it because medical terms are complicated and hard to understand, and it require many more times to understand and digest all of the medical terms. So this is where the social media take place to ease people in understanding about health or understanding about medical terms in health that is associated with their health. Okay, usually in social media, expertise doctor will give the medical terms, will educate or will give the medical terms that can make it easier for its patient and people to understand about health. Okay, as an example, they are giving short and simple tips and giving pictographic information. Pictographic information is more understandable than words that are too lengthy, because people doesn't like to read those terms that are too lengthy. They are more interested in graph or in picture. Okay, secondly, it is because nowadays everyone have a social media, everyone have their own phones, so it is easier for them to access the health education sites, to be well informed, the awareness regarding health that is important to our society. So as an example, in Instagram, there is a professional doctor who always give short and simple tips about health, what we have to do and what we cannot do in order to be healthy in his video. So I find it very interesting, because if you have any question about the video, we can just comment, type our question at the comment section, and the doctor will immediately respond to our question and answer it. Okay, other than the video, we all in Instagram also, we also can save any video, especially about health, and we can watch it any time that we wanted to watch. Okay, thirdly is it can help for those who are not able to do an appointment with doctor, due to firstly because high cost, obviously, and secondly is because the location is far from their home. Okay, so just like I mentioned earlier, I mentioned before, we can just use the social media like an Instagram to to search for health education, and we can just if you have any question, we can just comment at the comment section, and then the doctor will reply reply our question. Okay, other than that, for those who go to the clinic or go to the hospital because they are sick, they might not able to fully remember what the doctor advised them about their health condition, because of their health condition, because they are sick at that moment. So okay, so by using phone, patient can communicate with their doctors easily. Patient can ask the doctors about regarding their health, regarding their condition. So therefore, it is easier for them rather than they have to go to the hospital again. That requires a lot of time. Okay, in conclusion, health communication via social media or health communication through social media is effective in educating the public because firstly, it made it easier for those who doesn't understand the medical terms that are hard to understand. The professional doctor can explain in easy way for people to understand about health. And secondly, it is easy to access the health education site, to access the health education video through social media. And thirdly is it can help for those who are not capable to do an appointment with a doctor. So I hope there is more professional doctors that can involve in educating people through social media to spread awareness about health, or to spread awareness about the current issues that are regarding health. So that is all from me, and thank you.